Hi everyone, welcome to the Great American Stash Bash. Each month, at the end of the month, we do cards and there is a theme. This is an informal collab hosted by Heather's Handmade Haven, and for April it was to be all occasion. Now we made tags on the 10th, and I used up a tag kit from Stampin' Up! And go back and I'll link that at the end of the video, so be sure to watch that if you haven't already. But these were all occasions: sympathy, thank you, congrats, etc. So I was thinking I had this kit that was from Celebration. It was a card kit and I really liked it, but I hadn't done it yet, and I just thought, you know what, I need to get all these kits made and finished. And this makes 8 full-size cards, but they're 4 thinking of you and 4 celebrate today, which could be any achievement, right? So, and I did them pretty much as intended except for this last one. I didn't like how this I don't know what they called it, but it's a heavy twine, and it's really curly, and it was curling up too much on me. They call it, yeah, twine. I prefer like the thinner linen thread or something. So the last 3 cards I didn't use it. I learned my lesson. So here they are. So see how it's like curling up? I just wasn't crazy about that. I may even try and get those off, but they had vellum. And all the pieces, there were 2 full sheets of these gold leaves. I used them all. There was 1 full sheet of these green leaves. I used them all. There were 2 sheets that had, was it 4 flowers and 4 of these? No, 2 of these each on a sheet, and 2 sheets of them. And then there was a sheet that had all these labels, but it had it in English, French, and I believe German. And I did save those because even though you can't really use, well, you could if you speak those languages, but I don't. So, but I can flip them over and use them to stamp on. You don't even, this kit, you didn't even have to stamp. These are already pre-printed in, looks like Night of Navy. I love the colors of this one. But these are really nice also. So, and I don't think to put that much stuff behind my labels when I'm doing it, making my own cards. So yeah, so I have 8 all occasion cards thinking of you and celebration cards. So thank you, Heather, for having this informal collaboration. I try to do it each month, but you don't have to. If you want to skip, you can. So please use the hashtag that'll be down below and see what everyone else has made. I know of a few. I know Heather posted today, and I think there were a couple others I saw, but I haven't been watching too much today. Sorry. All right, guys, tomorrow come back for another collab tomorrow morning, and I think I have something tomorrow afternoon as well. And we will see you soon. Bye for now.